In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write the best product descriptions for your Shopify store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use an AI tool to create clear, compelling descriptions and add them straight into your store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. From your Shopify dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. This is your main control center for everything in your store, from products to orders to customers. For now, we're going to focus on your products. On that left menu, click on Products. This will open a list of all the items you're currently selling in your store. Take a moment to scroll through and decide which product you want to improve. Maybe it's a bestseller that deserves a better description, or a new product that doesn't have one yet. Once you've chosen the product, click on its name to open the product details page. Here you'll see fields for the title, media, pricing, inventory, and importantly, the description. This is the text your customers read to understand what the product is, why it's useful, and why they should buy it. Now we're going to use an AI tool to help write that description. Open a new tab and head over to your AI of choice. In this tutorial, I'm using an AI chat assistant, but you can use any similar tool you're comfortable with. In the AI chat, you're going to type a prompt explaining what you need. The more specific you are, the better the result. Include details like what the product is, who it's for, the key features, materials, sizing, and the tone of voice you want, such as friendly, professional, or luxury. For the sake of this tutorial, you can keep it basic, but in your real workflow, try to be as detailed as possible. If you're ever stuck, you can use pre-made prompt templates or a list of prompt ideas to guide you. Once you've sent your prompt, wait for the AI to generate your product description. Read through it carefully. Make small edits if you need to adjust the tone, remove anything that doesn't fit your brand, or add any important details the AI missed. When you're happy with the description, highlight it and copy it. Then go back to your Shopify product page, find the description field, and paste the new text in. Give it one last read to check formatting and spelling, then click Save. Your updated AI-assisted product description is now live in your Shopify store, ready to help convert more visitors into customers.